Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to clear Instagram cache on Android. Now, cache can make your Instagram application a little laggy, so make sure you clear it from time to time. Now, how do you do this for an Android device? Once you're here in settings, you can scroll and select the apps button. Now, this can be a little different depending on the maker of your smartphone. I'm currently using a Samsung phone, so this is how it's done here, but it should be similar for most manufacturers. Now, once you're here, just search for Instagram, click on the application, and this is the app info page. Make sure you get here on any other smartphone. Once that is done, you can click on storage, and then you will see this option here where you can clear the cache memory. As you can see here, I currently have 877 MB. Just click on the clear cache button, and once that is done, it is cleared. Now my Instagram app will be a little fast, it will work a little better, and you should do this from time to time in order to make sure that everything runs smoothly. Now there is another way to do this, which is via the Instagram application. Just log out from your account, uninstall the application, reinstall it, and that should also work. But it is a little time taking and it will sign you out. So yeah, this method is the best. And yeah, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.